Hello students, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this video we are going to see the differences between GetC, GetCare, GetCH and GetCHE. Basically, if you are facing any technical interview, whatever kind of interview it is, if it is related to IT technical interview, you may face this kind of questions, right? So it is very important to learn the concepts like this. So in this video, I am going to tell you that what are exact differences between these four functions, that is GetC, GetCare, GetCH and GetCHE. I am going to introduce you with the concept of this. Thereafter, I am going to take one program for each function and I will compile here itself. And I am going to show that this is the exact difference you are going to face while using these four functions. Okay. So without any delay, let's start. But please do watch this video till end, because each and every concept of this video is very, very useful and knowledgeable. Okay, let's start. Let's first see GetC. So GetC is a function which reads one character from any input and then returns the corresponding value on success, right? On failure, it then returns the EOF, that is nothing but end of file. So basically, if you are going to press a character, let's say A, then I have to press the enter key, and that is the input file. From that input file, it is going to read that character and it's going to echo, it's going to print, it's going to display that character to me on pressing enter key. Okay, so this is the function GetC. Let me run this program in front of you. I have already made the program GetC. As you can say that this is the GetC function. Here we are using GetC. And the function is like that. We have assigned a variable that is val for the type care, and we are asking it enter the character, whatever character is entered by user or as an input, that character is thereafter going to show with the help of stdout, that is standard output function. Okay, so this program is saved in my coding folder. I am going to coding folder and cmd and getc.c, C file extension. It's compiling, compiled, executable file name is A. Enter the character. So I am entering character, let's say R. As I entered character R, I didn't press the enter key yet. Now I am going to press. As I press the entered key, character entered is R. This is going to show, right? So this is the function of GetC. Just it is going to read that character R and it's going to show me the character likewise. Okay. Now let's come to the second function, that is GetCare. The second function is GetCare. The GetCare is capable of reading from the standard input. Hence, GetCare becomes equivalent to GetC standard input function. Basically, there is only a minute difference between GetC and GetCare. There is only minute difference between these two. What? GetCare is only going to take standard input, whereas GetC can take any kind of input from any stream. So here, if you are going to see GetCare, it is a program of GetCare, and you can see here value equals to GetCare. I am going to enter the character and that character is going to show me, right? So let me run it. GetCare. The second function is GetCare. I am on my coding folder. Here I am going to run the program GetCare. So let me run it. GetCare.c. Observe, focus carefully on screen. I am pressing enter. It's compiled. I have to press the executable file name, that is A. Now cursor is blinking. I have to give some characters. I give character like R. Now I didn't press enter key yet. I am going to press enter key now. As I press the enter key, this is the output. Enter the character. This statement should be there. Before that, it's read the character and R is going to print. Basically, it's read the character from the standard input output function. Thereafter, it is going to show me the output likewise that, right? So only the difference between GetC and GetCare is nothing, but GetC is going to take input from any stream file. GetCare is going to take the input from standard input output functions, right? Basically, from standard input output functions like that. Okay. The third function is GetC. GetC is GetCH. It is capable of reading a single character from any given keyboard. Since it does not make use of any buffer, we don't have any buffer memory here. The entered character returns immediately without having to wait for the enter. Basically, GetCH function is not a standard function. It is not existed in ISO-C standard library. But basically, if you are going to run Turbo C program like DOS C compilers, in that kind of functions is basically used. However, as for our knowledge, I am going to see GetCH, and the GetCH program is here. Value GetCH, enter the character, and that character we have to shown on our screen as an output. So I am going to command prompt, and let me run that program for you also. GetCH.c file. Focus. It's compiled, pressing the executable file name, and now cursor is blinking. Focus carefully. I am pressed R without pressing enter key. I just press the R. I just press R as an input character, but without pressing enter key, immediately it shown me the output. Immediately, without pressing enter key. Without pressing enter key, immediately it shown me the character, right? Because it doesn't have any kind of buffer memory. So that is the basic difference between GetC and GetCH. GetC and GetCH. I hope it is clear. Okay, the last one is GetChe. Now there is a minute difference between GetCH and GetChe. What is that minute difference? Focus. The GetCH is capable of reading one character from any given keyboard and displaying it immediately on output screen without the character having to wait for the enter key. Focus. What I want to say. Here we are having GetChe function. This is our GetChe function. Function is same. Program is same for all four functions. What are our four functions? GetCH, GetChe, GetChar, and GetCH. So program is same, but the use of GetChe, how it's going to work? See, I'm going to my coding folder and going to run this program for you. This time we are seeing GetChe, GetChe.c. It's compiling, compiled, executable file name A. It's blinking. Observe. As I press R, now here R is also there. Immediately output is there. But before that, I printed R, but no R is here, but R is here. Means a minor difference. In GetCH, we don't have buffer. That is why direct R. Here we are having buffer, but immediately is going to show because R. Here also we don't have buffer, but the character which I have entered is on screen. It's read from there, but immediately after reading, I didn't press any enter key. Without pressing enter key, that character is here. But in GetCH, immediately the character is on the output without whatever I have pressed, whatever I have entered like that, right? So that are the basic differences between GetCH, GetChe, GetChar, and GetCH. So these are very, very important and useful functions for C programming. And if you are reading the console input output functions, then it's going to be very useful. And this kind of questions you may face in your MNC interviews, in your technical interview, in your programming interview, in your thesis interview, in your PhD interviews, because if they want to judge on the basis of your programming skills, these kind of concepts are very, very important. So I hope the minute differences between GetC, GetChar, GetCH, and GetCH is very much clear to all of you. Further, if anybody have any kind of doubt or any kind of confusion, you can comment in the comment section. We are going to be very interactive, and I will solve your doubt as early as possible from my side. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.